4.6L V8 DOHC 32V VVT-i. The 2012 Toyota Tundra, intimidating yet approachable, offers toughness and comfort all rolled up into one. You'll want to take a spin in this Texas-sized truck just to experience the comfort you didn't know it could provide. With its spacious double cab and a remarkable V8, this Tundra does more than get the job done. Running boards add to its intimidation factor, and we think you'll look pretty dang tough in it. Visit our virtual showroom 24/7 at hennachevrolet.com.